Hi, it's Rachel with REMAX, and today I am down in Yucca Valley at 7478 Goleta Avenue. So this one is not even on the market, and there's a couple reasons that I chose this one, and come check it out. And I have a few requests for you in the video. Okay, so here we are, 7478 Goleta. It is a corner lot over in Western Hills Ranchos Estates in Yucca Valley, about 4.5 miles to the national park entrance. Mail. You might ask, why are you grabbing that person's mail? And the reason that I'm grabbing that person's mail is because this is my home. So this is my Airbnb down in Yucca Valley, purchased in about 2022, I think would be the year that it was purchased. Have been running it for several years now, trying to decide, do I continue? I mean, it's nice because, as you know, living in Big Bear, it is just a little ways away from Yucca Valley, only an hour and a half, but it has been a great house. I have toyed with the idea of letting it go and buying in other places, but the girls and I enjoy the house a lot. So if the right offer was brought, maybe we would consider it. So that's reason number one. And oh, by the way, right here we have RV and boat or trailer parking, fenced lot. So the other reasons, okay, so I remember when I said that I had a couple reasons why I was going to show you this one. So the other reason is that while I've been down here, I have been looking at other Airbnbs down here, and I'm like, man, I could make mine so much better if I just put some work into it. So this was one recent project that we did, was taking down a lot of this trellis right here that came there from there and from the top. So Andy put, if you watch a lot of my shorts, Andy put a lot of work into taking all that down, scraping it, repainting it, and then adding these boards up top. So what I'm asking in this video is little small projects that could be done 2 to 3 days time when we come down here that you think would make the biggest difference. So one of them, I think, is this red deck, getting rid of this red. It is really tacky. We've also toyed with throwing a new tabletop on there, making something kind of artsy, because once you see the inside of the home, you'll kind of see why. This door leads into the garage, and paint job, great condition, covered front porch. And the other cool thing, we get little bobcats around here. And if you saw my short video a couple weeks ago, you would have seen our neighborhood tarantula here. So coming in, we've got tile floors. These are, I think, like 12-inch by 12-inch. And a little pony wall right here. So one thing that I've seen in a lot of homes that I kind of feel like I would like to do is maybe doing all new floors. And by all new floors, I'm thinking concrete. And then possibly opening up this wall. But that might be a little bit more than a 2 to 3 day project, and a little bit more than what Rachel and Andrew could do. So here we are coming into the kitchen. But again, just telling me little things. And here's the other thing. Be nice. Some people have been so mean in some comments. I get things are cheaper in Texas And California is expensive. But just be nice. So maybe some new bar stools. I don't think that's going to change much. New countertops would be good, especially if we did concrete floors. It would be nice to do like some wood or something that complements that countertops, and possibly some new cabinets. These things are old. We did go ahead and recently update the handles on them, but I mean, this is just a lot of cabinet space for Airbnb. Here's another thought, taking that out, trimming it out with wood. Something as simple as that. Just what features do you think would go a long way? So if you saw my video a couple weeks ago, well, no, it's probably about a year ago at this time, we had a rattlesnake in the garage. So every time I come in here, I get a little nervous. But it's not as warm out right now. It's kind of cold, so I don't think there's going to be any rattlesnakes in here. But it is finished off garage. Kind of like a workshop area. We use it for a lot of storage, but then also for laundry and keeping all the extra Airbnb towels, linen, soaps, things like that. I think today we are safe from rattlesnakes. This pop out right here is for the fridge. That was here long before I was here. So, but it is a new fridge. I would like to knock out that wall. And if you saw one of the most recent videos that I did over on Indio, they had like a big beefy header that just kind of like opened it all up. Made it really nice. But I haven't done that yet. So here we have the living room, the office. I'll show you outside here shortly. Did have this on the market several months ago for $500,000. This one is a short-term rental. Does do very well. I'm here on a Wednesday, so I'm not too bothered by it not being rented on a Wednesday in the wintertime. This is out of batteries, but it lights up behind there, so it's kind of cool. Andy made this very thick piece of metal, lighting behind it, and it really sets the mood. My favorite Burton sofa, made by Living Spaces. This goes in every single rental that I have because it's easy to wipe down. And check this out. I've never seen anything like this. Andy told me that he was going to do it, and I was like, you're insane. That's going to be crazy. But if you can see it, it's mountains, sunset, sky. It's a nice artwork. Game table. And these are hardwood floors and then tile too. But I think if it was just all concrete, it would be pretty awesome. So this was the most recent renovation, and you'll kind of see what the old style looked like because the other bathroom does still look like that. But we replaced the marble countertop with wood countertop. Andy spent many, many days standing and staining that. And then we connected it with the above mount sink and painted the cabinets green, and then also used tile paint. And as you can see, I mean, this has been maybe 5 months and it's still holding up really, really well. It is black tile paint. And then also we kind of opened up. This was a drop down ceiling with a light. We put a light up here. It heightened up the ceiling, but then it also gave a lot of good natural light. Now we still have to paint this. This is kind of like a beigey color, kind of matches the wall, but I think we're toying with the idea of painting it white one day. It's not in the worst condition, so I don't think that's too bad. But moi, was able to change out all these fixtures. 5 months later, they're still there. And then he also made this shampoo box. Took the old medicine cabinet, changed it into this. I love it. Did a great job. I'm very pleased. So we do have a brand new air conditioning here, and we have a heater that works really well. 3 beds, 2 baths, about 1608 square foot, 2-car garage. Again, an Airbnb. The carpet has always been here, and it's in such great shape that I hesitate to do anything with it. We have taken the closet doors off just so that you don't have them falling off all the time. But again, if you think I need to do something, let me know in the comments. This is bedroom number 2. So total, the house sleeps 6 people. We've had way more people than that in here. This is the kids' room. Everybody fights over who gets to sleep on the top bunk. And then this is the master. So in this, got like a grass wall. It's fake grass. Nice closet. There is a his and a hers closet. It's just kind of like a access outside. Another closet. So this is what the bathroom in the front looked like. Same floor, same countertop. It was white, had the drop down. So that's probably, if you give me no feedback, what I'm going to do is probably this next bathroom next, by doing the same thing, unless we do concrete floors, painting, new wood countertop, above mount sink, get rid of this, get rid of this. I believe there's probably another skylight up here, but whatever it is, we'll figure it out. And then I've also, this room's kind of been something to think about. Do you want to keep it separate? Do you not want to keep it separate? I kind of like the fact that somebody could be in there, somebody could be in here. But I've also, in my vision, thinking of like tile or concrete that goes all the way up. Basically, the whole room can get wet. Not really, I mean, just making it like a real deep shower, but not having any kind of enclosure to it. But making all this concrete. So, let me know. And then from here, I'm going to take you outside. And so you can see the one and only reason that this house was purchased. So this is another area that you could critique me. I like the fact that it's got this covered area right here. We put a little outdoor TV out here. Grill. And so maybe one day I pull this down, but for now I like it because, as you know from watching my videos, Nora just learned how to swim. So here we have a great pool. This is one of the favorite pools I've ever seen in Joshua Tree. I think the depth is good, the width is good, the length is good, and I like that it's got the baby pool area down here with steps to get out. And then when the filter is running, this is boiling over. Hot tub is in great shape. And then we have private backyard back here, as well as beautiful mountain views and the spa area right here, which Andy did just fix all this up too, because this fence was leaning, so he was able to take care of that. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comments, how to bring this up to do even greater on Airbnb. Like, it doesn't need to. I'm pretty pleased with it, but if I end up selling it and wanting to buy another desert home, why do that when I can just make this even more perfect? Let me know. Talk to you soon. Bye.